How I went from this to this using the Nicky Clarke AirStyle PRO hairdryer and styler. I'm using the concentrator attachment for the perfect straight blowout. After sectioning off my hair, I use a flat bristle brush and I go from root to end. This hairdryer is so powerful. It has a 2000 watt brushless motor that made it so easy to straighten my thick and frizzy hair. It took half the time it normally does. Lastly, doing my bangs and running my hands through my hair, this hairstyler also has infrared and ionic technologies to give me this smooth and shiny look. I'm completely obsessed. Has never looked better, and this is how I did it. I section off my hair and then clip it up and then grab my Nicky Clarke AirStyle PRO. I'm using the curler attachment and I've never used an attachment like this before. Instead of wrapping the hair around the tool, it suctions the hair into a beautiful curl. You only need to hold the hair in place for a few seconds. The heat is so strong that it curls super quickly. And this hairdryer comes with 2 attachments. Each attachment Today I'm showing you how I bring out my natural curls. First I apply hair oil, then leave-in conditioner, and lastly gel. After I have all 3 rubbed into my hair, I then grab my Nicky Clarke AirStyle PRO hairdryer and styler. Easily popping on the diffuser attachment, and because this hairdryer is so powerful, I like to use the lowest level to shape my curls. I go from tip to root all over, and the infrared and ionic technologies are giving me a shiny and formed curl. Then I put half my hair up, and this is final look.